G'day legends, Dale here, and today we're making a delicious creamy Asian slaw dressing that is so good you'll want to put it on everything. This recipe is super quick and uses simple ingredients to get a big flavour punch. Let's get started. First, we'll whisk together our creamy peanut butter, a neutral oil like vegetable oil, a little toasted sesame oil, our fresh minced garlic and ginger, and if you like a little bit of heat, a bit of gochujang. Whisking them together first is the key to getting a perfectly smooth, lump-free base. You want to keep going until it looks completely uniform and glossy. Now for some extra flavour. We'll add our seasoned rice vinegar, soy sauce, and a touch of honey for sweetness. Whisk all of that together vigorously. You'll see the dressing transform as it emulsifies, getting thicker and glossier. Once it looks silky smooth, you know it's ready. Give it a little taste and adjust it as needed. A pinch of salt will really make those flavours pop. The dressing is perfect for crunchy cabbage slaw, but I also love it on noodles or as a dipping sauce. And that's it. A delicious creamy Asian slaw dressing in under 5 minutes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more easy recipes. Let me know in the comments how you'd use this recipe.